Hi and welcome. I'm trying to learn electrical engineering. Today, energy and power. And after we've done it, we're going to do neck stretching. And if you participate in the neck stretching, that's the downward. Now I'm starting to run a bit, but it's maybe more physics than electrical engineering. But the first parts are more electrical engineering, and with this, the continuation. So, the power used by an electrical appliance is the rate at which it transfers electrical energy. Okay. The power which an electrical appliance has, for example 800 watt, that is the rate at which it transfers electrical energy. So a toaster is transferring with a rate of 800 watt electrical energy into heat. A 100 watt light bulb uses more electrical energy than a 60 watt light bulb every second. A light bulb with 100 watt uses more than a one with 60. This one needs 100 watt, that means 100 joules per second. Because 1 watt is 1 joule per second. It transfers more energy per second. Example, a 100 watt light bulb uses 6 kilojoule of energy. Now we're having 70 kilojoule. So we can calculate joule into kilojoules, but how can we calculate watt into... We have it. We know what 1 watt is 1 joule per second. And 1 kilowatt something in hours. A kilowatt in hours. 1 kilowatt hours. Kilowatt hour. It is kWh. Kilowatt hours. Okay, we're reading on. Example, a 100 watt light bulb uses 6 kilojoule of energy, and in the time 6000 joule through 100 watt equals 60 seconds. A 60 watt light bulb uses 6 kilojoules in 160 seconds. We should find out how long it takes to use this 6 kilojoules. Okay, we're having 100 watt. We know that 1 watt is 1 joule. Now we say we have to divide the 6000 joules by the 100 watt. We know 6 kilojoules are 6000. 6 kilojoule are 6000 joule. Okay, 1 kilojoule are 1000 joule. Kilo means 1000. Okay, 6 kilojoules. So the thing uses 6000 joules, and it is able to use 100 of 1 per second. That means we have to calculate the 6000 through the 100. It is able to transform or to transform. I'm searching another word which is not based on physics. What is the other word? To use up to use. It is able to work through 100 of these joules per second because it has 100 watt. A light bulb with 100 watt is able to work on 100 joules per second, and these are 6000. So our light bulb with a capacity of 100 watt per second needs now, for 6000 joules, we have to calculate now 6000 through 100, 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, our light bulb with a working power of 100 watt was able to use the 6000. And we can calculate it by having just the total number, by how much are we able to do per hour or per second, and then we have a number. We have to do 6000, and we can do 100 per second. That means we're having 6000 divided by 100 is 60. And this also is per second. So we're needing 60 seconds of our 100 watt light bulb to work us through the 6000 watt. Yes, 6000 watt or 6000 kilojoules. Because 1 watt is 1 joule per second. It's 1 watt, 1 joule. Just if it's both measured in seconds. And it seems to be like that. Okay, I think we understood what we explained here. In the next part we will go on. Here's more to it. We're going to talk all about it, and I think we're going to always talk about it. So we're having the opportunities to understand the things which were not explained here in this explanation. We have understood the explanation so far, so I think we can follow if it comes to the next part, and that will then answer our questions which we have still left. So if you were here for electrical engineering, you can go directly to the next video. We will do now next stretching. If you participate in the next stretching, let's sit down on this. We are starting with what? With foot up. Then we feet standing together and the breathing in. And reach high with the fingertips. And out again down. Again in. Reach high the fingertips. Down and down. And again the arms up. And out, open them to the side. Again in the arms up. And out, open to the side. Again in the arms up. Let's do it one more time. And out, open to one side. Again out, up. And out. And in. And out. Next exercise, we're breathing in. And out, returning the head slowly, tall up, returning the head slowly over to one side. Now breathe in. And out, bring the head down, the chin to the clavicle. Breathe again in, the head slowly up. And out into the middle. And slowly over to the other side. Breathe again in. And out, head down to the clavicle. Breathe again in, up. And out into the middle. And directly over to the next exercise, open the head. And breathe out. And make a slow turn. Breathe in. And out. Next. Again in, this one more time. And out again, the turn down. Again in. And out and down. And back in down. Next exercise, we're doing the clap in the morning. Feet are standing together, we're breathing in and the arms up. And breathe out, lower the arms down the chest to the sky. Breathe in the arms again up. And out again, down with the arms over the chest. Again, in and up. Close the hands and out, leaning again back with closed hands, read in the wind. Again in. And still hands up, breathe in. And out, over to the other side, with in the wind. Breathe again in. And out, over to the other side. In. And we're doing the marker. Breathe out and lean back and open chest to the sky. Breathe in, now across the arms and intertwine the fingers, reach high. And out, reach in front and hold over back. Again in. And out your arms again down, open the chest to the sky. Again in and up, over across the arms and intertwine the fingers, reach high. And out, reach in front, hold back. Again in and up. And out with the arms down. Next exercise. I'm very much what we do first. Let's do first this one. Intertwine the fingers behind the back. Roll the shoulders a bit back. Breathe in. And out, turn the gaze out to one side. And lower the chin down to the clavicle. Now breathe in. And out and pull the shoulders down. Pull the hands down to the ground. Breathe again in, lift the gaze. And breathe out, over to the other side. Tall up. Lower the chin down to the clavicle. Breathe in. And out, pull the hands down to the floor. Breathe again in, lift the gaze and bring it to the middle. And probably the last exercise also, the stretch of Venus. Intertwine again the fingers in behind the leg. Bring them over to one side, breathe in. Down up and out. Turn the head to one side. And bring the clavicle down to the floor. Double chin. Bring your chin down to the clavicle. And breathe in. And out. Pull the arm in and draw the shoulder down. Again in, lift the gaze. Out on the other side, the arms over to the other side. Breathe in, turn up. And out over to one side. Down the head, down. Breathe again in. And out, draw the shoulder down and the arm in. Again in and up. And out into the middle. Let's do 2 sky huggers. We're breathing in, lifting the arms up. And out the arms back, long arms. Again in the arms up. And out the same time, down. And the arms down, and we're ending with the eagle's wings. We finish with the arms up. And out the arms down. Again in. And out. And the last one in. Close my hands and lower them down. That was the next stretching. I thank you very much, and until the next time.